I made a thing. Hey nerds, what's up? So the other day I was shopping at Target because... Anyway, and I went to the $5 section because that's where all the treasures are. And I found these adorable, simple wooden cut houses that had an adorable little metallic chimney feature on it. And you could get a pack of 3 of them for $5. And when I saw them, I was like, I know what I'm gonna do today.
Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today.
I was going to make a reversible, spooky Christmas village. And you're probably wondering, what in the world are you talking about? I made something similar to these a few years back for my mom that had to do with both Thanksgiving and Christmas. They were 3 simple wooden blocks that I painted 3 different colors. The only thing reversible on them were the words that I had written out. One side had words that all had to do with Thanksgiving, and one side had all words that had to do with Christmas. The idea of a reversible holiday decoration isn't something new, but when I saw those houses, I knew that they would be a great candidate for this kind of idea. I'll show you what I did. So I did do some preliminary sketches and color swatching, specifically only for the Halloween one, because that's the one I really want to get down right now. Christmas is very simple, or I'm just more familiar with the idea, or I don't know, like Christmas is so much easier to style like on houses and like show it's Christmas time on houses, and then Halloween, I really wanted to draw that out. So this is what I have so far. So one house is going to be like ghost theme, one house is going to be spider themed, and then one house is going to have just kind of all over the place pumpkins and skeletons and maybe a little bit of everything. So I'm excited. I need to clean up some of my Inktober stuff and just put it to the side because I'm not done with Inktober yet. This is my general setup, and I'm gonna clean it up so that I can record with my lovely setup for the painting. I just realized this is a sneak peek for you guys. This is going to be for Inktober, and I plan to show you all of my drawings. So I'm very excited for that. I took the time to draw more detailed sketches onto each of the houses. And then I traced them so that I could put them on the opposite side, so they look like the same house on both sides. A lot of the paints that I'm using on this project are just some dollar store or very cheap versions of paint, so I had to do some extra layering on these houses, which is what you'll see in this video. Well, here are the finished products of all the houses. I'm pleased with both sides, and I love the little details in all of the houses. I would guesstimate that this probably took about 8 hours in total from start to finish. I think these are going to be a great addition to all of my decorations, and I know these are going to last for years to come. Now, let's head back to past Corinne to finish up this video. Aren't these the cutest things ever? I'm super, super duper happy with how these turned out, and I don't know which sides I like more, to be perfectly honest with you. I think they're both turned out super adorable. I think for right now, I'll keep Halloween, since that's where we're more in right now, is the spooky season, and I'm dressed more for fall anyway. But what did you guys think of this more crafty-like video? Did you like this content? Do you think you know anybody who would like this type of content? For all of my viewers who I know are in for the gaming content, why don't you show this to somebody you know that would love crafting? Do you have something like these in your house? Do you celebrate Halloween? Do you celebrate any of these holidays that I talked about in this video? Anyway, I had a super fun time making these and filming this, so let me know if you guys liked it down below. It really helps me out. Anyway, thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Well, I made something similar to this a few years back for my mom, something that was reversible for November and Christmas. It was 3 simple wooden blocks that I painted 3 different colors that all corresponded really well with both November, with Thanksgiving and Christmas. The only thing that was reversible were the words that I had put on each side of the block. Something that had one side had words that had to do with Christmas. Ooh. Just being a nuisance today. Was the words that I had written out. One side had words that all resembled something to do with Thanksgiving. So the idea of a reversible holiday, but when I saw those houses, I knew it. For all of my viewers who I know are, do you celebrate any of these? Do you celebrate any of, oh my word. Okay. Okay, let me see that.